Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the size potion in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the potion looks like, and first of all, you need to get this potion. I get this potion from the Rocket event, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. Go to your inventory, and then you can go to the gears, and you will find the size potion. And then just click anywhere to apply this potion. And basically, the size potion can increase your plants to be bigger. As you can see right here, seeds planted have increased odds to be bigger. Okay, and during this duration, it has 5 minutes duration, and during this duration, you can plant something in your garden. I'm going to go to my seeds, and I'm going to plant this one grape seed right here. Okay, and when you are planting during it's working, it will make your plant bigger. Yeah, just like that. That's how you can use the size potion in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, that's all for today guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!